Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can hide likes on Instagram. Maybe you want to hide likes on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can hide likes on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Select it. And then in here, tap on the settings and privacy. And then in here, you can scroll down and you'll see here the hide likes. Simply tap on this hide likes. And then in here, toggle this button to hide the likes. As you can see, the number of likes on posts from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes on your own post by going to advanced settings before sharing. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can hide likes on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can hide likes on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.